Hello friends, this is Sanjay Pamecha. Welcome to Salibhadra Astro Insight. Today we will be talking about basics of Vastu. What is Vastu? Vastu is an actual science of element on the basis of the geological conditions of our premises. Now, our premises is associated with the five elements. These five elements are associated with respect to the directions. We have four basic directions as in north, south, east and west, which are subdivided into northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest, each having their own element. Now, every direction has their own element, as in few are watery element, other is fire element, southwest is an earth element, northwest is an airy element. Ether is associated with each of the element and present at the center, which is called the Brahmasthana. Now, the motive of this video is to know about the directions and their element. We have residential, commercial, office, hospital, all other premises associated with our life. They have their own energy associated with them, and we have our life affected by these elements. Now, if is there any problem with any element or any directions of the premises, our life also gets affected to it. So, to fix that element, we have various equipments and instrument to rectify the Vastu energy. For example, in short, if we can say, these are helix. Helix are a unique shape which resembles the directions of the elements. Now, few are triangular shape, few are squarish shape, few are circular and few are zigzag shapes. Now, as we know, water element is zigzag, so this is a zigzag element, zigzag helix. These are air is a circular, so this is a circular element which is made up of brass to fix the northwest and west direction. Earth element is square in shape, so this is a square helix made up of lead. Fire is a triangular in shape, so this is a triangular helix. These are few helix which are used to rectify the element or the direction so that the negativity can be stopped and positive energy can be increased. Now, if we know detail about each of these element with respect to the direction, we will come to know there are more to it, so that if we can see, there are more sub elements. Gold associated with the northeast direction, sulfur with the northeast east direction, mercury with the north direction and so on. These are few elements which are representing each of the directions. So accordingly, we are having this helix, pyramidal shapes and other fire rods, so that every element, every directions can be rectified without any demolitions or so. So in this slide we can see there are various elements associated with the various directions. Now, to fix, there are few planetary combinations also, which when applied to each directions, their maximum results or positive results can be obtained. So we deal into the helix of each of the directions with very different metal. Few are in brass, these are copper, few are in brass, lead and so on. We have a wide range of Vastu pyramids and Vastu helix. Do visit us to make your Vastu improve or enhance.